A for apple. B for bus. C for cherry. D for donut. E for ear. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for house. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lychee. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for olive. P for peach. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for shark. T for tub. U for uniform. V for vase. W for wood. X for Xmas tree. Y for yarn. Z for zebra.